Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento guys. And if you need to remove or replace downstream oxygen sensor, also known as bank 1 sensor to oxygen sensor, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, what you need to remove it, and also what special tool guys will make your life much easier. You don't need to remove your engine to do that, simply we have it out due to the fact that we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially guys save you thousands of dollars, and with the engine being out we can clearly show you guys how to do that, and we can teach you how to fix your Kia for free. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So many of you guys have been asking us in the comment section below to recommend a computer that we use for diagnostics, because there is so many on the market nowadays. So this is actually the one that we use guys the most. It works on Kia and almost any car you can think of. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you need to check out the current price and the functions, but it's an all system scanner guys that can pay itself off in one-time use. So once you open the hood on your Kia vehicle guys, you're going to face the engine that way. You have the intake manifold, which means that the exhaust manifold will be on the back side of the engine, the opposite side. That's where the exhaust gas comes out of. And you will see that you have 1, 2 oxygen sensor. This is known as bank 1 sensor 1 oxygen sensor, or lambda sensor. The purpose of that sensor is to detect guys how much fuel and air you still have in the exhaust, so it can figure out if you have rich or lean fuel mixture. Sensor number 2, it's right here, or known also as downstream oxygen sensor or oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 2. What that sensor does, it detects if the catalytic converter guys, it's doing its job. So if the catalytic converter it's not working correctly, it's plugged up, that sensor is going to detect that. Now some people try to cheat the system, and if you don't have catalytic converter or it's bad, they empty them, and what they do, they put a special spacer, so that's completely illegal and I'll never recommend it guys. Catalytic converters are not too expensive nowadays, so you can definitely replace it and don't kill the atmosphere. Now that sensor guys, you have one connector that you need to disconnect, right here, so you just press down and pull it out. Then we use that special socket that we have here guys. It's an oxygen sensor socket. When you're underneath the vehicle, you will be doing that from underneath the car. It's really convenient, and you'll be using it without with a short extension probably there, but those will be really tight. In some cases you might need to use a big breaker bar, to get them loose, depending on when was the last time they were removed, because they can corrode a little bit from all that heat. It's kind of like being really stuck. So that's the sensor guys right here. If you want to see how to test guys, how to test sensors, oxygen sensor, we have the video on our channel Auto Repair guys, check it out and you can learn more about it. Also, if you need to purchase one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.